Ever wondered why C programming is important? Why everyone should learn C first? To know, let's begin. C is a middle level language. C is the language of compilers, interpreters, editors, operating systems, and embedding programming. When you learn to program in C, you almost gain an understanding of how programs execute. C is simple, elegant, and wicked fast. Because C has raw pointers, bitwise operators, meaning you will understand more about writing code than you can glean from any higher level language. C is not an object-oriented language, so you won't get distracted by things like inheritance and polymorphism. I'm not saying that these aren't important concepts, it's just that you can simplify things a bit by learning straight procedural programming first. In fact, once you have learned C and written a couple of embedded programs on some single-board computers, learning C++ is a natural next step. Making a computer do what you want can be satisfying, but integrating embedded code with some custom hardware that makes things happen outside the computer, from making a robotic arm to generating a precisely timed waveform, you get an incomparable thrill. That thrill only happens because you have learned C. Of course, you can end up doing most of your embedded coding in C++, but still, learning C first makes it all possible. So then, what are you waiting for? Go get the resources and start learning C from today.